कुछ कश्मीरी लीडरों ने यूरोपीय यूनियन के अराकीन पार्लियामान से मुलाकात की और इस दौरान इन कश्मीरी नुमाइंदों ने इन्हें आर्टिकल 370 की मनसूखी के बाद आने वाली मुस्बत तब्दीलियों से वाकिफ कराया और मरकज की मोदी हुकूमत की तरफ से चलाई जा रही स्कीमों की जानकारी दी। बारामुल्ला में जिला डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल की चेयरपर्सन सफीना बेग और जम्मू कश्मीर वर्कर्स पार्टी के सदर मीर जुनैद ने यूरोपीय यूनियन के 12 अरकान पार्लियामेंट को ब्रीफिंग दी।
After 16th of October 2020, Panchayati Raj Act was amended and 73rd Constitutional amended. This provision was enforced in Jammu and Kashmir, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, by virtue of which, these elections were conducted and three-tier system was established at Washington. Your second question is, as a women leader, the most affected people in any conflict zone are women and youth. Definitely our challenges are different. We have so many difficulties, but I am telling you honestly, we are very secular people, very liberal people. We believe in Constitution of India, and the Constitution of India provides equal opportunity to all the Indians, whether they are from Kashmir, whether they are from Tamil Nadu, they are from Kerala, any part of India. So we have a bigger role to play, because as a women leader, I think that more and more women should join politics. It's very important because we have compassion, we believe in that, and we understand conflict better than anybody else. So we have a bigger role in Jammu and Kashmir. Your third question was regarding tourism. Yes. Where there is peace, there is tourism. And from last 2 years, I am telling you with authority that we have a very good, influx of tourists. Near about 2 crore tourists, I think they visited Jammu and Kashmir this year. Tourism is not possible without peace. If you have peace, then tourists can come. So thanks to Almighty Allah, situation is improving on the ground, and tourists are coming, and we have to do so much on infrastructure. This present government is trying so hard, and I'm hopeful that in case if all goes well. Unfortunately, you can change your friends, but you can't change your neighbors. But I hope good sense